Okay? Universal to. Pertains to man, pertains to animal. Pag ang animal, when you look at them, how do they multiply? Ganun din, same. But then ang animal, they have a certain period na there's a certain time na sila ay come together. Season. Ang tawag natin dyan is mating season. You don't see the animals that may mate pag hindi sila yung panahon na darating for mating season. Okay. Just like the human being, there is come a time na sila ang mag-mate because gumawa siya men and women for multiplication. Ang problema dito sa Garden of Eden, although nandun yung presensya ng Diyos, no? Nandun din si Satanas, pwede siya pumasok. Pwede siya pumasok doon. Okay? Pwede siya mag-influence. Kasi espiritu din yun eh. Anghel din siya. Okay. So, nung yung tao, may mga law, no? Wherein he has to abide. Pagpaparami, antay niya yung mating season. Okay? And at that time, I believe yung asawa, wala pa yung hatol sa kanya, yung babae. Hindi pa siya nahulog. Wala sana yung sinasabi na buwan-buwan na nagregla. Nakuha mo? So, do you believe that? It was after the fall, nagkaroon ng multiplication ng conception. May paglilihi ng babae. But before that, wala. It could be once a year, I don't know. Once a year.
It could be happening.
No. Ngayon, no, I mean, yung wala pa sa, yung hindi pa siya na-fall.
Yeah, but it could be happening
Now,
before fall.
the question is, ano yung na-fall niya? Yan ang question. Alam natin, nag-disobey siya. Okay? Nahulog siya. They fall from the grace of God, no? They fall. Nagkasala sila. Ang problema dito, ano ay yung kasalanan niya? Ano yung nag-disobey niya? And that one thing, marami na hindi nakakaalam. Not unless it was revealed. Okay. Ang kasalanan dito, because in the garden, you have the animals. Different kinds of animals. And then you have, ang animals, meron yung pinakamataas na uri at meron yung pinakamababa. And I believe yung snake ang pinakamababa. Pero yung highest form of animal, na itsurang tao, na pwede magsalita, may intelligence, yan ang serpente. Yan ang serpente. Okay, ngayon, saan sila nahulog? Ayan, si Lucifer, si Satanas, pwede niyang influence itong si serpent. No? Ang nangyari doon sa garden, nag-introduce itong serpent ng sex, no? Doon sa Eve, okay? Para sirain yung plano ng Diyos. Kasi ang plano ng Diyos sa kanilang dalawa is to reproduce para magkaroon ng mga anak ng Diyos. Okay? Hindi pwede yung halimbawa, nakita mo ba yung ang aso ba pwede makipagtalik sa pusa? Nakuha mo? Ibig sabihin yung kanya-kanyang uri. Nakuha mo? Yan ang precisely yung lodo. Hindi ka pwede. Okay. Pero pag nagawa mo yun, makakaproblema ka. Magkakasala. Okay. Ngayon, okay, diretso ka na. Ginagtalik na yung si Cain, of course. Hindi naman isang beses yun eh. Takes time. Binobola niya yung si Eve. Okay? Hanggang sa parang, you know, naniwala si Eve sa kanyang bola. Nakuha niya si Eve. Kaya ito yung sinasabi ko, yung serpent. Kaya sabi ko, naunahan niya si Adam. Nakuha yung virginity niya, nauna pa si ano.
Sumini.
Ngayon, pray.
Ay pakita.
Yes. May resulta ito. May seed. Okay.
Yung sinasabing kainin, ibig sabihin pakita.
Yes. Correct.
Are you agree with that?
Do you agree with
Ang pagkain dito, maraming klaseng pagkain na. May pagkain na tunay, may pagkain na sinasabi na pagkakalik. Okay.
Yun nga.
Ngayon,
No, my question is, yung pagkain ay makikita natin.
partake. Pag sinabing partake, yung partake doon, ginagamit doon, iba naman ang ano, hindi pagkain.
Hindi. In that particular verse,
Right.
at
This is
binigay ng
This
kanya
is good.
at kinain niya, ibig sabihin nakipagtanim siya.
Oh, partake. Pag sinabing kain, ibig sabihin partake. Partake. Okay.
Ibig sabihin nakipagtanim.
Okay, ngayon, I'll tell you why, no? Kasi dito, sa ginawa ni Meliso, nagkaroon ng bunga. Ang bunga doon, si Cain.
Okay. I understand that.
Si Cain, ang tatay niya, hindi si Adam.
Alright.
Ang tatay
Mas
niya,
malaki ba yung dahilan ko kasi hindi ko mabasa ito.
Oo.
So, because
Oh, so ituloy ko lang ha, para at least yung istorya. Okay.
At naintindihan ko yung gusto niyang i-point eh. Are you saying now that yung nung partakes Eve, like kumain si Eve ng bunga, is literally nakipag-sex siya dun
Yes.
sa serpent.
Yes.
And he also gave it to Adam. And also Adam partook.
Yes.
So even Adam had sex with
Yes. Yes.
the serpent.
Yes.
Even Adam nakipag-sex with the
Yes.
serpent.
Hindi ko naintindihan. Tanong niya kung
Even Adam nakipag-sex.
No, sorry.
That
Si
is what the
Adam,
Bible said.
nakipag-sex siya sa...
But that is what the Bible said. Eve, I would read.
Okay.
Binigay yung
And when the woman saw that the tree was good for food, and it was pleasant to the eyes, the tree to be desired to make one wise, she took of the fruit thereof. You're saying that this is sex. She took of the fruit thereof, and she did eat, and gave also unto her husband with her, and he did eat. Even you're saying that even Adam himself had sex with Satan, with the serpent.
No. With the wife.
No, with the serpent.
With the serpent na yung nakalagay.
The fruit. I'm saying that the fruit.
Kanina kasi, tinanong ka kung yung fruit ba sex with the serpent. Sa mga fruit ka, yes. Yung fruit ba sex with the serpent, tinanong ka kanina. You said yes.
Eating of the fruit. The eating of the fruit. Then, when Eve took of the fruit, she ate, and you're saying that pag si Eve the serpent, and dahil maganda, binigyan niya rin si Adam, and also Adam ate of it. So, ibig sabihin, even Adam nakipag-sex sa serpent. So, yun ang nakaka-confuse sa
Oh,
amin.
answer.
And you're saying now that Cain,
Kasi ang fruit doon, maraming tinutukoy.
hindi na tayo lalayo, doon lang tayo sa
Sige.
point. You're saying now that even Cain is not ibig sabihin, hindi si Adam ang tatay niya. And the Bible said, Eve said, I have gotten a man from the Lord. And that is Cain. I have gotten a man from the Lord.
Pag nag-start.
Lahat naman tao galing sa Lord.
So, ibig sabihin,
Tayo, pag pinanganak tayo,
no problem with
galing,
that.
galing tayo sa Lord.
Walang
But then
problema.
my question is like this, no? You have to look at this. Ilan ang tao noon?
dalawa.
Adam and Eve, Abel and Cain, apat sila. Saan natuto si Cain para pumatay ng tao?
Okay. No problem with that. No problem.
I mean, why? You mean to say, yung tatay
The
niya,
Bible is telling us,
Saan natuto si Eva para sumuwi sa Diyos?
Yeah,
Saan natuto
sure.
si Eva para sumuwi sa Diyos?
dahil doon sa serpent.
The same is true. Because of sin. This fallen nature.
No, kaya
Because
nga
of that
sabi ko,
fallen nature.
there was, may mga spiritual na nangyari.
But it doesn't mean na physically, biologically father na siya. That's my point. Okay, I will read you some verse.
Okay.
Bible tayo. The question is this. Chapter 4, verse 17 of Genesis.
Yeah.
Says here, and Cain knew his wife, and she conceived and bare Enoch. Okay. Sabi rito, and Cain knew his wife, and she conceived and bare Enoch. Sa Tagalog, at nakilala ko, sinipingan. Sinipingan ni Cain ang kanyang asawa, siya naglihi at ipinanganak si Enoch. Sino ang tatay ni Enoch?
Cain.
Okay.
Si Cain. Tama. Okay, ulitin ko. Sinipingan ni Cain ang kanyang asawa at naglihi at ipinanganak si Enoch. So, ibig sabihin, ang tatay ni Enoch, si Cain. Tama? So, walang problema doon. Okay.
Ngayon kasulat doon.
Yeah. Let's proceed to Ito is sa 17 to.
Mm.